Hello there, this is Ivan with WTI, and what I have here is the Okabashi flip-flops, the most durable flip-flops I've ever had.
I really love their design. When I first put them on, I felt like they were made specifically for me. When you first walk with them, you feel different than your usual flip-flop because they are a little heavier and sturdy, but that's a good thing. Eventually, I got used to it and I take them everywhere. I love using them at the beach because they are heavier, so then I make sure that they're gonna stay on, and when that occasional wave comes, then I know that I'll be able to retrieve them easily. It's really comfortable and easy to walk with them at the beach. So again, if you're looking for them to go to the beach, these are it. Also, as they get maybe a little dirty, they're washable completely, and once you wash them and are clean again, they look like new and they're ready to use again.
So if you are looking for comfortable, durable flip-flops, then these are the flip-flops for you. But that's just my point of view.